Ever wanted to organize your ServiceNow tasks on a custom board without altering the actual records? Flexible boards allow you to pull in tasks or records such as incidents, change requests, or project tasks directly from your ServiceNow instance based on the filters that you define. But here is the best part. You get complete control over your board's layout. You can customize your lanes and organize your tasks exactly how you want without actually changing the record data in the background. So whether you're managing a personal backlog, coordinating a quick project, or just need a custom view of your team's workload, flexible boards give you that perfect blend of data integration and visual freedom. Let's jump in and see how they work. Here is the list of all visual task boards that I created and I own. You can see I've already created a guided board and a freeform board. Now we're going to create a flexible board. Please note that flexible boards are considered data-driven board. So let's select the data-driven board option. Select your table. In this case, I'm going to select incident. When it comes to vertical lane field, unlike guided boards, you don't select any field. So let's go with the none option. As you can see, the swim lane field is grayed out. Since you don't have any vertical lane, you're not presented with any swim lane field option either. Let's go to the next screen. Here is where you define your filters. For example, you're only interested in active incidents and those incidents that are in higher priority. So I go and select priority is 1 of, P1 critical, or P2 high. I can go ahead and add sorting as well, but I'll skip it for now. As you can see, this filter will result in 19 cards. So let's create the board and see how it looks like. As you can see, this is a Kanban board setup, exactly how the freeform board looks like. The big difference is its data-driven nature. The cards that are shown here are coming through the filters that you define. And as you can see, by default, all cards start from the first lane. Similar to freeform boards, you can update the lane names. Let's call it pipeline. Add new lanes. Move lanes. And perform the actions that you can usually do on a freeform board, such as adding a card, setting lane limits, hiding a lane, or deleting a lane. Let's start by moving some of these cards. Similar to adding tasks to freeform boards, if you open a card, you will see updates such as lane changes, but the actual record on the platform does not change. And you cannot find lane changes updates on the actual record, since the activity stream only records changes to the field and some record-specific updates. Let's close this view. Similar to other board types, you can find some information on the Details tab, such as the assignees, the labels, due dates, attachments, and a quick view of the checklist items and the progress. You can update the assignee, including the primary assignment and the additional assignees, add labels, view attachments, edit the name, download it, or delete the attachment. And the last tab refers to the checklist items. As you can see, this incident already had 3 checklist items. Let's go ahead and check off the last item. and you can see the update is recorded in the activity stream. Let's go back to the board. This card view now shows 3 of the 3 checklist items are complete. Unlike freeform boards, you cannot archive a card, but like guided boards, you can hide a lane with all the cards underneath. And that's a wrap on creating your first flexible board. You've learned how to pull in live data and customize your lanes for the perfect visual layout. But how do you manage the board itself and add new tasks? In the next video, we'll dive into board configurations, adding members, and watching real-time as new incidents appear on our board the moment they're created or updated in ServiceNow. You won't want to miss it. See you there!